Today I'm going to show you how to make carrot coffee cake. This is like carrot cake and coffee cake got married and had a baby. You're not going to want to miss it. Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com, and today I'm showing you one of my favorite spring brunch recipes, carrot cake coffee cake. This is a recipe that I created for my very first cookbook, and it's one of the most loved recipes in the book, one of the most loved recipes on my site, one of the most popular recipes every Easter. This is like a delicious brunch or breakfast recipe. It marries one of my two favorite things, carrot cake and coffee cake. My whole family loves this, and I know that you're gonna love it too. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen. All right, so for the cake, this is just a basic coffee cake recipe. It's based off of my mom's recipe, except I'm adding the spices of carrot cake and some shredded carrots. Start by adding 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 of a cup of vegetable oil to a medium-sized bowl. Then you're gonna add 1 large egg. Whisk those together, and then add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then add in 1.5 cups of flour and 1/2 cup of milk. Whisk again until it's nice and smooth. Then you're gonna add 2 cups of shredded carrots. Now do yourself a favor and shred your carrots yourself. Don't buy the prepackaged shredded carrots. Those are great for salads, but they're not soft enough to put in baked goods. Fold that together until it's nice and combined. You can also add some chopped pecans to the cake, but I'm gonna save those for the topping. Now, coffee cake is called coffee cake because it's supposed to be served with coffee. It doesn't actually have coffee in it. I guess it's an American thing. I get a lot of comments, where's the coffee in the cake? It's not coffee cake, it's cake to be eaten with coffee. Then spray a 9-inch or 10-inch pan with nonstick cooking spray and add your batter to the pan. This is great in a round cake pan. It's good in a square pan, whatever size you have. Now the streusel is the best part, of course it is. It's the best part of any coffee cake. This is a brown sugar streusel with butter and brown sugar. I'm gonna use some nuts in here. You can use pecans or walnuts. It's got some cinnamon. It's delicious on top of this coffee cake. To the 1/2 cup of brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of melted butter, you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of flour and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Go ahead and stir that together with a fork, and then you're gonna add 3/4 cup of chopped nuts. You can use pecans or walnuts, whichever you like. And then you're gonna sprinkle it evenly on top of the cake. Now I'm gonna bake that in a 350-degree oven until the toothpick comes out clean, and then I'm gonna let it cool. You can serve it plain, or you can use a nice drizzle on top. Super easy, right? This is such a great recipe to make for brunch all year long, but especially at Easter. We love enjoying this. Both of the members of my family, my husband and daughter, love carrot cake, so this is always happening on Easter in my kitchen. It's super easy and it's so delicious. I know you're gonna love it. Keep watching for more breakfast recipes.